Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are discussing about one topic, that is currencies. And in currencies, basically, we are talking about one topic, that is basically the global warming. And global warming is are equal to ideas. In this, basically, we are talking about one topic, that is solution. Basically, in solution, basically, we are talking about one topic, that is city creation. Basically, in city creation, basically, we are telling that basically uh, the bomb blast basically which is going to happen, that is basically pre-planned basically, because day or night basically the within 1 or 2 day basically the bomb blast will never happen basically. So one of the person told that when city was created, that time basically this whole area basically is going to get effect basically, that was planned or basically something else basically. Then he told that basically the earthquake cities designing and the blood cells designing and the earthquake designing and the glacier designing all basically are connected with each other. Then one of the person told that basically the glacier design basically are created by the nuclear power company, right? So the city creations whenever it happens basically on the base of the glacier created basically. For example, 1 lakh city basically has created, so according to the 1 lakh city basically the glacier basically has mapped, and glacier basically are the uh, possibilities basically. That possibilities means you can say trigger basically. Trigger means you can say um, after this particular data generated, trigger it basically. Trigger basically any basically things supposed to happen basically. Here basically it has taken as a glacier basically. Then one of the person told that basically why is in sea basically the glacier has taken basically, why the sea water basically is used basically in the Tapman basically, why sea water basically is used. Then basically the answer was basically that sea water basically is one of the reason basically is it's directly connected with the satellites. One possibility is this. And then see, on the base of sea water only the entire world, each and every objects basically are performing. For example, the grass color is green, that is on the base of the sea water basically. The tree color is green, that is on the base of sea water basically. The tree color is sometime brown basically, that is on the base of sea water basically. There basically the chemicals are dumped basically. That's why basically the sea water basically has taken here basically. That's why basically the sea water has taken here basically. So one of the question basically asked by the city creator basically, that was the IAS officer basically and the collectors basically, who say that basically we have signed this data basically, and this according to this data basically the city is going to create. That data is basically the in the form of nano format basically, that is the energy that basically is going to then decode into the diagram basically, and that diagram basically are the city creation basically diagram basically. And that city basically assume that it's going to create the human needs basically, and human needs basically are on the base of the demand and supply basically. Demand and supply basically. So demand and supply of what basically, demand and supply of what basically. Then he told that basically demand and supply of the future creation basically. So whatever things basically you if the human needs basically which you have basically in your city basically, that all are connected with the future creation. For example, the child creation which is going to happen basically 1 lakh in Vadodara city, according to that the entire medicines, human needs, everything basically is prepared basically. And like this way only the world basically is connected, is created basically. And glacier is also basically connected like this only basically. Glacier is also basically connected like this only. So glacier basically is, lots of people say that glacier basically is a natural creation basically. No, it's not a natural creation basically, it's created by the set of nuclear power companies basically. They basically has created this on the base of certain triggers basically, which is going to happen on the base of certain temperatures of the particular objects. For example, one person told that basically if tree count basically in this world basically is going to increase more than this, then this is the trigger basically which has kept. So that is basically created by the tree creator basically. He know basically that if the temperature of the tree basically is sorry, the count of the tree is going to increase by this number basically, then the speed of the earth planet, the speed of the energy basically which is dumped to the near the each and every buildings, that each and every things basically is going to affect. So according to that basically he has dumped one trigger basically, that basically if the tree count basically is going to increase up to that level basically, then basically the things are going to happen basically. So that things basically which happens basically, that basically is the system basically, that those group only knows basically who are connected with the tree creation group basically. So that is basically one system basically. So in same way basically here also basically the bomb blast basically are connected, and basically the earthquakes basically are connected, and on the base of sequence of earthquake basically the incidents basically happens in this world basically. So lots of person told that basically the plans basically who designs basically, then one of the person told that basically that's basically given to the entire country basically. So for example this task is given to this country basically, so that on the base of that task only that country basically survive basically. Survive means they only basically gets the income basically on the base of this task basically which is going to do basically on the base of certain level of plans basically. Like Canada basically do certain level of software plans basically. In this basically you can see that basically the cricket level plans also basically might be designed basically 100% not sure basically, but in this basically the USA is also there. India basically by default might be there because the Sanskrit and language is created long before. After that only basically the English got created. That's why basically Bangalore basically might be involved basically. And the cricket money basically it's totally black money which gets converted into the white money, and then basically it's dumped into the stock exchange. Then basically it get rotates to hundreds of banks, then basically hundreds of rotates into the hundreds of financial firm, then it rotates to hundreds of stock exchange, and then basically it's dumped into certain level of area basically. That is the BCCI group basically, who BCCI groups basically who trust the country basically. On that country basically only they dumps the data, that is this money basically. So like this basically just see up to what level the things basically are connected. Here basically we are seeing what basically we are telling that basically certain level of things will happen, certain level of temperature is going to increase of the particular item. For example in this world basically how many buildings might be there, then one of the person told that it might be more than 1 crore. So the person basically who created the construction department, who is handling the construction department temperature basically, they have dumped one trigger basically. If this is the count of the buildings basically across the world basically, then this is going to happen basically. That is a trigger basically. That basically trigger we can say that basically the nuclear power company might have created set of glaciers basically in the sea basically, and on the base of sea basically the glacier basically gets blast basically on the base of temperature basically. If temperature increase, then the if temperature increase above the marked temperature basically, that is the count of the building basically is increasing, then the which basically is marked basically. So according to that basically the Tapman basically get increase and the glacier basically gets effect. So if glaciers are basically getting effect, that means the maximum level data basically has already reached basically. So you have to take some certain level of actions basically. That action is basically the project management plan for that glacier which has basically done bomb blast. Bomb blast means it has basically broken basically. Like this lots of things basically are kept as a trigger basically in this world basically. Like this basically we are going like this basically things are basically there. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this city creation and the triggers basically which are dumped in the earth planet in many format.